everybody, in today's video I just want to show you the steps that we had to do in order to remove the smell of cigarette from our garage. So the people who used to live in this house before us were very heavy smokers, to the point that the walls and the floor were covered with nicotine. That's why they have this yellowish tone on top of them. So the first step that we ended up doing was removing the drywall, because the smell was so strong that we couldn't stay there for even a minute. The smell of cigarette was so concentrated that even the insulation had it. For that reason, we ended up removing it too. After a couple of days of leaving the door open, we thought that the smell was going to disappear even a little bit, but nothing happened. For that reason, we decided to wash what we could, and we start with the door. So I decided to use Clorox on the door just because it was metal, so I thought that it was going to be easy to remove the smell. It did help a little bit, but not as I thought. For the floor we used T.S.P, which is a all-purpose heavy-duty cleaner. We got this from Home Depot and it was like $12. It's a powder that you have to mix with a little bit of water, spread it on the floor or the area that you want, and then let it sit for a couple of minutes. After that, you have to rinse it with a lot of water. As well, I ended up putting a little bit of this product on the door just in case, and I noticed that it helps even better than the Clorox that I used before. For our final step, we ended up spraying Kills, which is a type of paint that helps to seal any bad odors, and we spray this in the entire garage. So I know that all these steps are quite a lot, but trust me when I tell you that we couldn't even breathe inside of the garage because the smell of cigarette was very strong. Even the frames of the garage, like the wood, even that had a very strong cigarette smell, and that's why we decided to use this product. The end result was very good. After 2 days, we truly couldn't smell any more cigarette. And this is the video for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of the renovations that we're doing in this house. See you soon. Bye!